Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here another Watch Ultra clone, and it is a 7-in-1 strap. So this model, I think it is a Y20 Ultra smartwatch. There's also a 7-in-1 strap with a Y60 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so here as you can see, it is not stated, but I think it is one Y20 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so sometimes they repackage or they just put a new name for the smartwatch, but it is just the same model. Okay, so as you can see here, it has a very big packaging, and we have at least several straps here, 7-in-1 strap. So we are going to check on this Ultra 7-in-1 strap, okay, smartwatch, and we'll check the contents, especially on its available strap. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, as you can see here, very huge packaging here. Of course, it's understandable because it has at least 7 straps available for the smartwatch. Okay, so this is so far the biggest packaging for a smartwatch. Okay, remember our 3-in-1 smartwatch or 3-in-1 strap. Okay, the S9 Ultra. Okay, see the difference here? Very big difference on the packaging. The usual packaging for the smartwatch is like this, big, and you see this one, very wide box. Okay, so I'm interested on checking on the different straps for this one. Okay, and guess what, it is very affordable, just less than 20 US dollars. Okay, so we are going to have the unboxing, okay, and see if what are the contents of this box. As you can see here, so we have here the details: smartwatch band, charging cable, and user manual. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so where do we have to? Okay, I guess we just rip this off. Okay, it's the biggest box so far or packaging for a smartwatch. Okay, I thought that we already have this as the biggest, okay, box for a smartwatch. Okay, but this 7-in-1 strap, okay, Ultra smartwatch, is in a different category. Okay, when I first received the packaging for this one, okay, I thought I ordered the wrong smartwatch or a different device. Okay, so let's open the box. Again, this is a 7-in-1 Ultra smartwatch, and as you can see here, so let's check, it is complete, I think. Okay, so these are the list of straps. Okay, I picked the black strap. There is an orange strap, I think. Okay, meaning all of the smartwatch here do have at least black, okay, combination of color. Okay, so we have here the ocean strap. Okay, so we have here a nylon strap. Okay, I forgot the model of this one. Okay, and we have another sporty, okay, ocean strap in combination with other colors. And we have here the classic sporty strap and another one. So this one, a nylon strap. Okay, and we have a sport strap here. Okay, breathable sport strap. And if you want a classic looking, you also have here a steel strap. Okay, so classic steel strap for this one. It's a bit heavy. Okay, but if you want a classic looking smartwatch, I guess this one will do. Okay, we have at least 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 strap. So no need to buy an extra strap for your smartwatch. Okay, so if you love to personalize your smartwatch with a different strap, okay, go for this 7-in-1 ultra strap. Okay, so we have here, still it supports magnetic charging cable. The support app for this one is the High Watch Plus. Okay, and we have the smartwatch. Okay, nice. We have real screws here, as you can see. Okay, and we have this thing works. Yes. Okay, it's not a fake lock strap. Okay, so it works, as you can see here. And we have, it's a 49mm version, not a 45. Okay, so very affordable smartwatch, and it has a lot of strap accessories, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm very interested to see if this thing, okay, how this thing works. Some of this. Okay, so we have again an ocean strap, silicone strap, nylon strap, another silicone strap here. Okay, we have at least 2 3 4 4 silicone strap, 2 nylon strap, and 1, okay, metal strap. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's put one. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, so this is the, okay, so like a velcro. Okay, let's put this one. Let's attach it. Okay, it's a bit. Okay, very tight. Okay, one, and the other one. Let's check. Okay, 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 that's it. It fits. Okay, so far it looks good. It looks okay. So let's check on the dimension and weight of the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here our weighing scale. So let's check. Okay, 0 0. Let's put it in a proper place first. Okay, 0 0, and the weight is around 56.20. Okay, so the case or the frame of the smartwatch is less than 50, I think, without the strap. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a big crown button, a side button here, and we have the orange action button and a speaker here. At the back we have, okay, the pill shape here, or the watch strap lock. We also have the real screws. Okay, and we have the sensor. So far it is a 49mm smartwatch. Okay, for the dimension, let's see if I can find my measuring tool here. Okay, so I have the measuring tool. Okay, so it's around 10mm. So 49. Okay, something, as you can see. Then for the width here, so around 38. Okay, okay, so there's some dirt here. I think we have to clean this first. Okay, so far seems like it has a slim bezel. I'm going to turn it on and see, okay, if there's still a power left on the smartwatch. Okay, so there's no juice left, so we are going to charge this and see. We'll just check the screen display. Okay, so we charged the smartwatch for just a few minutes, and as you can see here, we have a support for always on display, and we have the screen display here. Okay, so slim bezel, so far looks good. Okay, it looks bright, and we have, okay, that's a low battery mode. Anyways, we've seen the screen display here, and for the total specs of the smartwatch, you can check it here. Okay, next we are going to check on the menus and features of this 7-in-1 ultra smartwatch, okay, or the Y20 model smartwatch, okay, or Y60 model smartwatch. Again, here is your 7-in-1 ultra smartwatch and the available straps. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.